Guys, it's here. Finally got my mystery box from Jeffreestar. The one thing about Jeffreestar is if you order from his website, it takes forever to arrive. That's the one thing that is my major complaint about Jeffreestar Cosmetics. I order from Beautylish and it arrives days, like even 2 days later. So that's the only downfall about ordering from Jeffreestar Cosmetics. Now, I do want to put this disclaimer because that name, that brand is a very am I saying it right? Controversial? I don't know. Brand. The person. The only reason why I buy from him is because I really enjoy the creativity palettes that he comes out with. So, I apologize if this is going to be a video that you're not interested in, or that you may not want to see. But for those that do want to see it, please stick around and let's unbox this box together. Okay, so here is the first item from my box, and it is a mirror. So I know a lot of people collect these mirrors. I personally don't. I have one other, but it came from another mystery box. And the reason why is because I think they're very cheap. Like, they're very plasticky. So this is the mirror that I got. There you go. Hi. So yeah. But do you guys hear that? It's a little cheap to me. I personally think it's cheap. It's not heavy, but it's cute. It's cute. Hey. So that's numero uno. Oh, and let me say that I have not watched any sneak peeks. I have been avoiding those videos on YouTube because I really wanted to be surprised by what I received. So here is the Ranch. What is this called? Oh no, what is this? Oh, it's a Z palette. I thought it was a Ranch palette. Hold up. Hey, wow. This is a Z palette, you guys. It's a small Z palette. Very cool. I'm assuming it's for his single eyeshadow. So awesome. Now this baby here must be the palette that I'm excited to receive. Star Ranch. Very cute unicorn. That is so pretty. Wow. Look at those shades. The blues and the brown tones. I really like that. Ooh. Yes. So far, 3 items brand new to me. We got a shirt. So I order mine in extra large because I love my items to be oversized. Plus, these shirts actually shrink. Oh, shoot. Look at this. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this to sleep in. This is humongous. This isn't a shirt. It's like one of those, like, sleeveless tees. Yeah, this probably will be, like, something I sleep in. Because this thing is huge. Oh, okay. 4 new items. The next item here. What is this? Oh, is this the beach ball? Yeah, it is. This is the beach ball. Okay. Luna is going to love this, and I'm so scared to blow it up because Axel, my dog, will be all over it. But I'm glad I didn't buy it because it came in the box. So 5 new items. Okay, we get the Extreme Frost Highlighting Powder. This actually completes my collection because I got a purple one, the white one, and now I have the green one. Look how beautiful that packaging is. And sorry, I'm trying. Okay, there you go. So that is the green shade. Let me go ahead and swatch it for y'all. It's beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Thank you. This completes my collection. I'm happy about this. I won't use this on my face. That is very, very glittery. But my eye actually matches kind of what I'm wearing on my eyes today. Cool. Okay. We're on a roll. 6 new items for me. I think this is the Blood Money palette. And yes, it is. I'm not going to open this because I already own it. So let me get mine so that you guys can see. And this could be in a future giveaway. Okay, guys. So this is my palette. Love the packaging, his aesthetic. Like, I really enjoy this. Like, this makes me happy. Like, I'm sure you guys have all seen this, but okay, there you go. So those are the shades for the Blood Money palette. Okay, we have a, what is this? Okay, this is a lip liner in Leo, which I believe I also have. Let me double check. I do not own it. I own Christmas Cookie and Calabasas. So Leo is new. Yay! And that is what that looks like. And let me go ahead and give you guys a swatch. There you go. Yay. So something new. So what does that give us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items new and 1 repeat. Okay, the next item I have here is a velour lip scrub, and this is in the flavor Candy Necklace. Is this new? I don't know if he's had this. So here it is. So these are edible. I already have one that I'm using currently, so I'm not going to open this, but once I'm ready to open this, I will give it a try. So yay, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items new. This is a good box. Very, very good box. Full Pigment Lip Gloss, Supreme Gloss, Naked in the Dark. This is also new to my collection. It's like a cool tone lavender. Okay, mommy. Shh. Ooh, but I like that. I hope you guys can see that color well. There's still more, guys. The Gloss. This is probably from the Shane Dawson collection, right? Was that the packaging? I think so. It is in Heaven's Gate. No, this is new. This is new. And it's very shimmery. I personally don't have this one, so this is a very shimmery lip gloss. 10 new items. This is like amazing. Okay, what do we have here? Velour liquid lipstick. Oh, this is a new one. This is new. I don't even know what this is. This have a name? I don't think it has a name, guys. This is what the name is. And it's a wearable shade. Yay! Let me go ahead and give you guys a swatch. So it's like a corally orange color. Woo! 11 new items. Okay. And then the last and final items are 3 of his single shadows. I got Deceased. So that's Deceased. I got Donor. That's that one. And I got Entitled. They repeated shades last time that they sent me a box. Maybe. And that's Entitled. I hope I have not. Has my head been cut off the whole entire time? I hope not. I think it's falling. I don't know. Okay, guys, so that is the end of my Jeffreestar Summer Mystery Unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate those that did watch. I know Jeffreestar is a topic that nobody in the YouTube world likes too much. And like I mentioned, I just want to reiterate again, I'm not a fan of the person. I'm a fan of the makeup. Okay? So, if you are okay with this, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know that if I do these again, if there's another mystery box and I somehow end up getting another box in the future. And if that's okay with, look, this camera keeps going down because it's on a tripod that is going slowly down. So I am so sorry about that because now my head's cut off again. And I've done this about 3 times now. Anyways, I'll stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.